guys, I'm Parker and this is Hero or Zero. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a super easy calzone. And at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you if it's a hero or a zero.
Put anything you want inside a calzone. But the main components that we are going to use are ricotta cheese, provolone cheese, sausage, pepperoni, and you need the dough. You can put anything you want in a calzone, and that's even including vegetables, something I personally don't like. Okay, so now you should flour the area that you are going to be rolling it out on. So after that's all floured, we're going to be making 3 individual calzones for my family. So you just want to cut them into even pieces. So just cut them however big you want. And just cut them. So, is this big enough? So we take this and we're gonna roll it out. Put this down and you just wanna roll it out until it's flat. So now, after you add your sauce, now you can add your mozzarella cheese. I like to add 2 slices into my calzone. Now after that, you can put pepperoni, and then you can add ricotta cheese. Or you can add veggies and sausage, which I don't like. So now, after you do that, you want to take 1 egg, crack it, and then put it in a little cup. And then you want to take a fork and just whisk and just move and just mix it up. What you're doing here is we're making an egg wash for the calzone. And now the egg wash will make it look more golden. Now after you've brushed on your eggs, you just want to take it and then pop it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. And we're just gonna let that cook for 15 minutes. So now, just in 15 minutes, we're gonna show you what the calzones should look like. Let's go show you. That's my calzone. In 15 minutes, our calzone turned from dough to this. Now I'm gonna show you if it's a hero or a zero. Now, do you hear the crust on this? This should be a perfect calzone. Oh, that looks pretty good. In my mom's words, it's alright. Now it's time to try it. Make sure to blow it off. That's pretty good. And after further review, that gets a hero. Now tune in next time to where we're going to be making homemade pasta. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And this is Hero or Zero.